Are you tired of wasting precious space in your small apartment? Today, I'm revealing 12 genius space-saving Amazon finds that'll transform how you live in tight spaces. From shower phone holders to rotating bookshelves on wheels, these aren't your typical storage solutions. If you're ready to maximize every inch of your home, let's dive in. Number 1, shower phone holder. First up is this shower phone holder, and yes, it's designed for your guilty habit of watching TikToks in the shower. It's a wall-mounted phone holder with a clear anti-fog front, full touch sensitivity, and 360-degree rotation that sticks to tile, glass, or mirrors. It keeps your phone safe from steam and splashes while you catch up on podcasts, playlists, or workout videos. Perfect for anyone who can't bear to be without their phone, even in the bathroom. Number 2, kids sofa that flips out. This is a kid's sofa that flips out into a lounge, and it's basically your toddler's version of a futon. It's a 2-in-1 foam couch with a soft Sherpa cover in gray, designed to act as a little armchair when folded and a flat lounge bed when flipped open. It gives kids their own seating that fits their size and keeps them from climbing all over your main sofa. The Sherpa cover feels cozy and plush, like a teddy bear turned into furniture. Number 3, Avon plug-in LED backlit nightlight set. You get 4 nightlights that plug into wall outlets, each with a built-in motion sensor, dusk-to-dawn sensor, and dimmable warm white light, adjustable from about 1 lumen up to around 50 lumens. They automatically turn on when it's dark and you walk by, and off when you leave or when the sun is up. They're perfect for hallways, stairwells, bathrooms, and bedrooms in small apartments where one light can cover multiple zones without taking up any floor or counter space. Number 4, mushroom ottoman. This mushroom ottoman is genius. It's a round teddy velvet upholstered footrest with a wooden frame shaped like a mushroom in white, with a cozy hideaway compartment inside for small pets to curl up. From the outside, it's a chic little vanity stool. From the inside, it's a secret cat or small dog cave. Perfect for animal lovers in apartments who want dual-purpose furniture that looks great and keeps their pets happy. Number 5, lift top end table with charging station. This is a lift top end table with a charging station and wheels. It's a compact table in rustic wood finish with a top that lifts and tilts towards you, built-in USB ports and AC outlets, wheels for easy rolling, and a side bag for magazines or remote. It becomes a mini desk when raised, a regular side table when flat, and a mobile charging station you can wheel wherever you need it. Perfect for small home offices and living rooms. Number 6, solid wood rotating bookshelf on wheels. This solid wood rotating bookshelf on wheels is like a vertical carousel for your reading habit. It's a 4-tier round bookcase tower that spins a full 360 degrees, built on a rolling base so you can wheel it into a corner or beside a chair. It provides tons of book and decor storage in a small footprint and makes everything easy to browse by rotating the shelves. The white painted solid wood construction feels sturdy and brings a clean, bright look to any space. Number 7, Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic. This is the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic, and it's your corner investment in mood lighting. It's a slim black LED corner lamp with smart control, around 1,000 lumens of brightness, music sync, and 16 million possible DIY colors. It tucks neatly into a corner and throws dynamic, color-changing light onto the wall. Controlled by app, Alexa, or manual buttons, it's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and gaming setups that need atmosphere as much as they need light. Number 8, multi-purpose closet hanger. This multi-purpose closet hanger for ties and belts is like a valet who specializes in all the things that usually end up in a tangled knot. It's a compact hanger designed with multiple hooks to store belts, ties, scarves, baseball hats, purses, and more, all hanging vertically from one spot in your closet. Instead of taking up drawer space or creating clutter, everything hangs neatly and stays visible and accessible. Number 9, beverage refrigerator cooler. This beverage refrigerator cooler is a compact mini fridge with about 18 liters of capacity, fitting around 24 standard cans with a quiet compressor, LED light, and electronic temperature control. It's perfect for sodas, seltzers, wine coolers, or even skincare, freeing your regular refrigerator shelves for actual food. Ideal for studio apartments, home offices, and entertainment corners where you want drinks at arm's reach. Number 10, wireless pump travel storage bag set. This rechargeable wireless pump travel storage bag set is like giving your clothes a shrink ray. You get a set of 15 vacuum compression bags in different sizes and a little rechargeable pump that sucks the air out without needing a big vacuum cleaner. They're amazing for packing suitcases, storing off-season clothes, or compressing blankets in a tiny apartment. This is a game changer for anyone short on closet space. Number 11, LED smart nightstand. This LED smart nightstand with Bluetooth speaker and wireless charging is next level. It's a modern end table in beige with a round tempered glass touch panel on top, built-in RGB lights, a full sound system with Bluetooth, USB, and Type-C ports, an aux input, wireless charging, and a sturdy base. It functions as a light, speaker, and charging base all in one sleek cube. Perfect for modern bedrooms, game rooms, or as a side table in a studio apartment. Number 12, trifold memory foam mattress. Last but not least is this trifold memory foam mattress, about 4 inches thick in a single size. It's a folding mattress with 3 foam panels and a collapsible washable cover, designed to lay flat as a sleeping surface or fold up into a compact stack you can tuck into a corner or closet. Perfect for overnight guests, movie nights, kids' rooms, and camping. When you're not using it, it practically disappears. If you're someone who loves discovering smart solutions for small spaces, subscribing will make sure you always have fresh inspiration waiting. Tap subscribe and hit the bell if you want a heads up when new space-saving videos drop. As always, all of today's finds are pinned in the first comment and fully linked in the description below, so you can come back, compare options, and shop at your own pace. Thanks for watching.